So I'm doing this unboxing video, and I got this from Whipshots. It's not PR, replacements. So what happened was, and it could happen again, and we'll find out in a couple days or so. What happened was, and I'm not the only person, because I've seen this happen to other people too. It doesn't, like, so you use it the first time, and then you put it down, forget about it, and then days later you go to use it, and it doesn't come out like it used to. So we're gonna try, I don't know if I want to do all these right now, because there's 4 of them, and the whole point that I made was, you don't eat them all in one sitting. So I was expecting these to come tomorrow, Tuesday, after Labor Day. Today's Labor Day. But they actually came yesterday. So she replaced them. Her people hooked me up, Cardi B's people from Whipshots, with a replacement mocha, a replacement of the vanilla, and the key lime one, key lime, which I wasn't that into. It's just lime. This one was the one I liked the least. And then I'm really excited to try the pumpkin one, but I have to go to the store to find it. And lastly, they gave me a new one of the caramel. And this is the caramel. And the good thing about these, you don't have to refrigerate them. But what you do is, I'm going to try, well, the last time I got the mocha, I'm going to try this one now and see what happens. I have some strawberries. And they're dripping water. And I got this little bowl. And we're going to try this. So it says to slap it till you feel your Whipshots drop. On the back of the bottle it says to slap it, turn it upside down and give it a few slaps with the palm of your hand. Then it says shake it till that flavor goes fluid, whip it till you party like Cardi. So funny. It's vodka infused, whipped cream, and I think it's non-dairy, ultra premium vodka with natural and artificial flavors and caramel coloring. That's the mocha one. And it says 10% alcohol per volume, 200 milliliters, do not refrigerate it. That's what the guy told me at the store when I bought them for the first time. So far, the only time so far. And he's like, whatever you do not refrigerate it. So we're going to take this little tag off because I know it's going to go crazy when I do this. So it says direction. Whip it bougie with a rich combination of bold espresso, chocolate, and a ultra premium vodka. So step 1 is turn it upside down and give it a few slaps with the palm of your hand. This is gonna hurt. Okay. Then, you're ready from this one, so I don't ruin it. Keep it upside down and shake it, or shake side to side for 30 seconds. Then remove cap. Oh, so it says go like this. I didn't do it right the first time. I should put the timer on. Well, it's not microwave, but what is that? Shake it. 20 seconds, 19. It says to go like this. Now this dropped. It's kind of hard to do this. I thought you were going to go like this. That's what I did the first time, not like this. But this is a little more than 30. Because you want to mix that stuff together. And the first time I had the mocha, it was very liquidy. Not so much foamy. Then, remove cap and whip it. Whip it. Whip it good. But then the second time you go to use it, that's when there's going to be problems. And I want the little creamier with this time. It's good. Today it's good. We'll find out how it is tomorrow. Or not tomorrow, in a few days. Some adult dessert. My favorite one so far, I think, is the vanilla, but the caramel's good. The mocha's good. The lime is like, you might have to put this on something else. Like key lime pie or like cheesecake, I don't know. But the mocha's alright, it's very strong. Did anyone else have a problem with the cans besides me and the few people that I saw in the comments recently? They had problems. But if you're honest, and you let Cardi B's people know on Instagram, they'll help you and they'll replace it for you for free. Because I'm thinking it's like a problem. We were thinking, when I say we, I mean you know, of course, that the best bet, so you don't have to worry about using it again like in a few days and then it not working, is to bring it for a party. That way you and your friends or whoever can share it, and hopefully it'll be used up in one time, because one regular person's probably not going to use it all in one sitting. Like, I don't plan on it. And I saw somebody else on YouTube do this thing, which I thought was so funny, but also very clever, because I had considered doing it, but I didn't know how. This one woman took a wrench or something, and she literally plied this piece off with like all of her might, this silver piece, and then she poured it into a cup of some sort and used those like frother things, and she made her own whipped cream with it, and then she like put it in like a coffee drink, and I was like, I commented and I was like, wow, if I find that video I'm gonna insert it in the description box. I probably can, because it's probably my history. And I commented and I was like, oh my god, that's so funny, because I thought about doing something like that. She did it. And I was like, okay. But thank you, Cardi B, excuse me, and your people at Whipshots for replacing the ones that I'd bought. I can't wait to buy the pumpkin spice latte one whenever soon. Try that one. I'm sure that one's gonna taste delicious. Which ones have you tried? Has anyone else had? Oh yeah, it's dairy-free, gluten-free, and it's kosher. But that's so nice of Cardi B and her people to like hook you up. Like if something's wrong with their product, they will. Like that's the one good thing I like about her and her people from Whipshots, is that they want to make sure you have a good experience, and they take their business very seriously, especially because it's new. So if you like this video, please give it a thumb up. Share it with everyone you know. Leave some comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Lulu's World. It is my world. And get yourself some Whipshots. Strong. Bye.